Quina. Welcome to Skill Harvest YouTube channel. In this video, I want to make DIY BAGCHARM. Wow. So let's prepare the material. You will need DECO cream tools, beads, an acrylic keychain. So let's make it. Put the plain acrylic BAGCHARM on table. Second, pick your favorite beads. I choose this. Wow! After that, spread the DECO cream with any color you like. I choose pink and purple. The next step is put the beads on the top of it. The last one, put the string. Done! You can put the BAGCHARM on your favorite backpack. That's all from me. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye-bye!